Well, that's a big hole. There you go, I got an engine out. Hey everyone, you might have noticed, transmission's still attached to this engine, so I've seen quite a few videos on YouTube where people have pulled the engine out of the Disco with the body on. Pretty much everyone's left the transmission in place now. To be honest, I actually couldn't be bothered getting up through the top of the crossover pipe, and I knew, to remove all that, the top row of bolts, it's just going to be a bloody nightmare and take me ages. So I decided, well, let's give it a go and pull the whole thing out all in one piece. So in order to make that a little bit easier, I don't know if you'll see it, but over there in the background, there's a transfer case. So I've dropped that off just to minimise a little bit of that weight that's overhanging at the back. It took me about, well, pretty much all yesterday mucking about, stripping all the front of the car off. I'd kind of lucky I'd done most of it previously anyway in the case of wrecking this out. So it wasn't too bad, probably would have taken a few more hours to do all the rest of it, but apart from that, it was mainly that engine mount down there. I don't know if you'll see it in the video, but that was just a bit of a pain to release, because when I took the weight up of the engine, it sort of wanted to twist forward and just jam that up. So that was a bit of a fiddly, but it wasn't too bad. I've got a buyer for this engine, so I'm going to split the transmission off now. I am contemplating giving it a bit of a bath and a clean beforehand. Yeah, everything's just covered in diesel soot from that exhaust crossover pipe that failed. So that would have been in here somewhere, but yeah. Anyway, I didn't really film most of this because, to be honest, I just wanted to smash the job out. At the end of the day, it's not too bad. I mean, the only thing really, my bay lifting method's probably a little bit dodgy, and if you actually cared about your car, pay attention to that back mount, because just lifting up and puts stress on that top of the firewall. So you kind of need something to bring that forward. But anyway, like I said, bring that with the transmission, it kind of does put a bit of weight at the back, so you need something, you need your centre of gravity right at the back to try and bring it out a bit flatter. But to be honest, there's heaps of room for it to come out. Pretty easy. The only other thing I'll mention, the bottom sump, just drop that off, makes it a bit easier to get the engine out. And obviously the right hand engine mount, that comes off before the whole thing comes out, because that won't get past the steering shaft. Anyway, just a little update, thought you might like to know. So take it easy, and I'll see you later.